people when you have got nothing tangible in life. You must find where your money recognizes you. Signs you are out of your money flow. You are always frustrated no matter how hard you work. Number 2, you are surrounded by busy people but no results. Number 3, you keep trying new ventures, they die quietly. Number 4, you feel peace only when you imagine doing something else. Number 5, you are talented but nobody buys into it. If this describes you, today we are reading chapter 3 of the Calculated Money Moves book, written by me as the author. Those that have been wondering how to get this book, you can literally visit www.bonangfinance.co.za and purchase yourself a soft copy there. There are currently no hard copies. We only have soft copies. Thank you. I'm going to read chapter 33. Last time I did read 32 for you. Chapter 33, I'm going to read in page 209. Discern your money environment. That's the title. Discern your money environment. Where your money moves is also determined by your environment. Okay, literally this book is designed to show you where the money is, and you want to calculate the money moves, how the money moves and where the money moves. So basically the book itself is then explaining deeper to say where your money moves is also determined by your environment. In the wrong environment, even your grace looks useless. In the right one, everything multiplies easily. That's why some of you must leave certain friends, cities, or even countries. Not because you hate your background, but because your money doesn't move there. Look at me. I was once in the bush hunting, fishing, and mining. None of that worked because my money wasn't there. But when I entered the financial markets, it was like heaven opened. You must find where your money recognizes you. That's not a small statement. You must find where your money recognizes you. You know, there are things that when you do them, no matter how hard you do them, success doesn't come easy. Money doesn't come. No matter how perfect you do things, money doesn't come. But because you understand that you need to be where money recognizes you. There are people who have it easy. Money comes easy to them because the money recognizes them. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to understand. Where does your money move? Where is your money? Does your money recognize you? Are you chasing the money or the money is chasing you? So calculated money moves literally puts you in a position of studying even your own environment, your own friends. Like I said, I became so much worried as to why do I always attract broke friends. This became a concern to say, it means I am like them. So that means I have to change. Do you get my point? Why is my friend broke? Should be a concern. Because if we say my friend is broke, it means you are also broke. To them, they're also saying my friend is broke. So you see that the cycle there is of broke people. So if it does not worry you that you are surrounded by broke people, that alone can be an attack in life. Why should you be surrounded by broke people? Or why should you surround people because you yourself is broke? Do you get my point? Why should you be the one surrounding people when you have got nothing tangible in life? You must find where your money recognizes you. Signs you are out of your money flow. You are always frustrated no matter how hard you work. Number 2, you are surrounded by busy people but no results. Number 3, you keep trying new ventures, they die quietly. Number 4, you feel peace only when you imagine doing something else. Number 5, you are talented but nobody buys into it. If this describes you, stop fighting. You are out of your flow. Shift, recalculate, realign. Because God's prosperity formula is not about hard work alone. It's about working in the right direction. You see, that's how God operates. He doesn't say work hard. He says work where you are needed. The right direction. That's the formula of success. There's a popular saying that says so. If hard work pays, an animal like a donkey could have been the wealthiest animal on earth or the most expensive animal on earth. Let me put it that way. But it's not. So sometimes hard work does not pay, but smart work pays. Check around your environment. Does the money recognize you? Also, you must be concerned. You cannot always be surrounded by people who are encouraging you to say, be patient, things will be okay. When? Happy new month. May the good Lord bless you in this month of February. Thank you. Bye-bye. Today,
All right. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing this morning? How is everyone doing this morning? Are you good? I am fine. Where are you watching from this morning? Where are you watching from this morning? Where are you watching from? Trying to set up some layers here. I think I will do as we proceed. My audio should be good. Let's check that first. How is my audio? Guys? Let's go there first. How is my audio? Is my audio this morning? Is my audio okay? Is the music not too loud? Hello. I am up $200 on my funded account just of these 2 days live stream. Thank you, brother. Keep doing the work you're doing. Salute. I appreciate. Salute. We always want to see people winning, and that's a good testimony there. Thank you so much for positivity. And thank you so much, guys. Allow me to say sorry. Our first stream, I unplugged the internet adapter. So I wanted to do some connections, so I have many adapters. I removed the wrong one. So the internet went off, and I'm using a very heavy one, so for it to restart it took time, and then the YouTube was like, nah, we can't wait for you, my friend. So nevertheless, I am all well. I am all well, and I'm hoping that everyone is well. That's a good testimony there, guys. Let's put W's for jar, something like that. I don't know how to mention your name. Let's put W's for him there. $200 up funded account just for these 2 days stream. Let's put W's for him. Please. W's for that guy. W's. All thanks to you. Say I was number 1 payouts for January. Thanks to the Mets. This is how much was it? How much was your payout? Just type it. Don't fear. There we go. Triple the leaky hippie. Hey, that your name is something else. Please, my friend. Please. How much was your payout? Is number 1 in January. How much was your payout? My brother? How much was your payout? This demo are paying. These demo are paying. Nice one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And appreciate you all, guys. I love it. There was hash number 1 on. If you go to Commit Capital Instagram, you will see he is number 1 there. Stated as number 1 payout of the month. 121,000 total with Commit Capital. It's Keith. Keith, enjoy yourself. Keith, tell me, did you pay for mentorship or you were gifted mentorship? Let's clarify that. Did you pay for it or it was a gift from me? Did you pay for the mentorship or you were gifted the mentorship? I want to clarify that. Let's go, guys. W's for Keith. 121,000 in January. Poverty killed. Brother, you must never be poor again. You must never be poor again. You must never be poor again. Poverty divorced. Don't look back, my friend. Don't look back. There we go. Keith was gifted the mentorship. You took the mentorship, you used it, then he came out with 121,000 from a zero level. From a zero level. And then you want to destroy someone's image who does this to people's lives. It's not you, it's Satan. Satan is the one sending you to try and block good things coming people in people's ways. That's just the truth. So do not be used by the enemy. That's it. Just don't be used by Satan. Don't allow Satan to use you. We are not here to play. We are not playing here. Can you imagine? My brother, you are welcome. Salute, 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 salute. You was gifted a free mentorship. After gifted a free mentorship, the guy understood the mathematics, takes the method, applies it at Commit Capital. He takes exact as he was taught education. He then comes out with 121,000 in January. There is no cabbage for him, no vegetables for him. It's now meat after meat, bacon and what in the morning. Enjoy yourself, my friend. Enjoy yourself, my friend. But guys, do you see what Keith is saying? Guys, let's talk about Keith right now. Keith, I must come and interview you. I want to interview you. You sit down with me. We have a very nice talk, me and you, my brother. This is our content, man. I'm telling you. Please, 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 let's appoint. Let's talk. Talk to me on WhatsApp. Let me bring you in here. Sit down next to me. Let's talk. Let's have an interview. I think it's best we preach the positivity part of us other than the negative part of us. So let's make sure. Beautiful stuff. Do you see what this guy is saying, guys? You don't understand. In December, he made a withdrawal of 113,000 in December and 121,000 in the first weeks of January. That's how much? 232,000, bro. Salute, guys. Come on. W's for Keith. Congratulations, my friend, and you did a very marvelous thing. Don't stop there, brother. Don't stop there. Do more. This year we are doing more. Just do more, my friend. Wonderful. Yeah, let's have an interview. We sit down here, we talk, we chat. Then you just narrate how things went. I think this is a very good content for BFI. This could be very good content for us. I'm telling you, such results deserve to be aired. And I'm going to give you a certificate. Can I give you a certificate in the beginning of the year? Let's see. No, you haven't done more than Randy. So if you do more than Randy, then you have qualified to be a certified mathematician. If you withdraw more than 500,000, then we give you a certificate, my brother. But for an interview, I want you down in Pretoria. Let's have a beautiful interview, chat, and then we see how best we can move forward. Thank you, sir, the master of the mathematics. You are the master of the mathematics, and I'm just following in your steps. You are welcome. Keith, welcome. Guys, beautiful stuff. We are coming up with positive results. Maybe people think that we are doing this. Guys, you were here for 2 days. Another guy just commented in 2 days, he made something. Out of this education. He was not given financial advice. He was not told to buy and sell. He was not given a signal. he was taught how the market moves through education. He takes that education, he applies it, he decides based on his own prescription and his knowledge that he got from BFI TV. Then he gains something out of it. So that is something that we have to see as positive. So that education is just the same. What changes your life is what you know and how you know it. And then now that you know, you then go and execute. I just don't have a right to tell you that buy and sell. But if you know the knowledge, you have been educated that it's time to buy, it's time to sell, let the knowledge tell you what to do. Enjoy yourself. Welcome to BFI TV live and direct. We are doing more. My brother, do more. My sister, do more. Simple as that. Simple as that. Let's do more. Enjoy yourself. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Let's quickly jump into the market this wonderful day and see how the markets are like today. Right. Okay. Some were asking me about the mask. Why the mask? This mask is going to come out of me when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So push this stream to 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll take off the mask, because people say they like me with a mask. Without a mask, sorry. Without a mask. So when we reach 1,000 subscribers, the mask is going to be off. The army uniform is also going to be off. I'm just going to take it down, and then I frame it in the office like this. I frame this whole army clothes. Yeah, it has a reason, and it's significant for it to be like this. So, okay, first things first. Let's talk about what can we say? Let me put it this way. Let's define the reason why we are here. Point number one, we are not here to play. The reason why I went to stream where I was streaming was simple because we wanted to change people's lives. The relationship with me and the friends did not work out, but this does not mean that we are here to play or we are enemies. No, we just part ways. We just part ways, and then I am where I am, and this is where I am now. I'm not fighting anyone, and no one should be using anything to fight me whatsoever. Now, I want you to be warned, very, very, very careful. You want to understand that this is a spiritual warfare. To be financially free has never been easy. The enemy would want to try by all means to block you from learning a skill that will change your life. So you want not to be distracted by any form of negativity in any way. That's point number one. The enemy would want you not to learn the real, genuine stuff. That does not keep you a slave. At Bonang Financial Institute, we have a once-off payment of lifetime, where we reveal the secrets and the truth. We don't keep you subscribing to us every month. We don't keep you subscribing to us every year. It's once off, and we liberate you. Look at somebody with over 221,000 withdrawal without paying for the mentorship, because he was gifted for just watching the stream. That's his life changing. So you think the enemy will be happy for that? There's no way. Even Satan, demons and spirits can never be happy. So they want to try and tarnish the name of the person helping you to be liberated and set free. You can ask this guy. I have never even called him and said I need one run, not even in a day. But here he is, he's up and running. His life is changing. So even you are the next person. You are the next person. You want to see another person changing his life. You want to also see yourself changing your life. That's basically what we are here to do. So me as Bonang, I am here to teach you the truth. And the truth is the one that will set you free. It's fine if you don't like this kind of knowledge. Please set aside. Go and view the other streams. Leave this one alone. That's the truth. So when the enemy got to understand that this kind of a person is going to destroy poverty in Africa and everywhere, so the enemy tried his best to find a way to come in so that you yourself, you don't find liberty. I hope this makes sense. right? So try your best to understand these things and focus on what matters. And what is it that matters? What matters is that you understand what we are doing and you gain the real knowledge, that knowledge that will change your own personal life as an individual, because you are who you are based on what you know. You are who you are based on what you know. So me coming here to break down the knowledge, it's very, very, very important, because even God said, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. So when we say we want to set you free, we want to set you free. We are not here to play. So we are in a warfare here, and the war is not against flesh and blood, it's against enemies. So of the spiritual principalities. You don't even take it easy, because the enemy does not want you to be a millionaire by all means necessary. So they will come and arrest me. I will go to prison. I will suffer for the sake of trying to do this. And then the other thing is this, guys, I don't have a problem with you not buying into my mentorship. You must never do that. I don't make a living out of that. If you don't want, you don't want. If you don't want to value this, you don't want. Just watch the stream and gain knowledge out of the stream. You are not forced or obligated to sign up into our membership. You are not obligated to do so. This is not here to sell the mentorship. It's here to just teach you so that you get this knowledge and go and help yourself. Help yourself. That's basically why we are doing what we are doing. So you want to be serious, you want to be focused, and you want to do what will change your own life. And you don't become a slave of anybody or any other system. That's why Bonang Financial Institute is here. So I hope this makes sense. So let's not be here to come and play and torture each other. That's not it. And then lastly, ever since I started my TikTok, I think I made 31,000 followers in a week. Now I'm sitting at 46,000 followers. There is a problem. There are many people creating false accounts in my name. There are many of them. If you type Bonang Financial on TikTok, you will see so many people. And I even received messages from different WhatsApp platforms. There are people who are saying, we are doing investments, invest with us, you gain this much, do this, you gain this much. No, guys. I can never come to you in any investment scheme. The people that I previously worked with, these are people who asked me for help. So when I failed their accounts, they got bitter. So they want me to refund them. Then the problem is, how do I refund you when the account has been blown? But then don't fall for other scammers. People who come to you and begin to say, I need you to send me this much, you make this much. No. Come to this stream, watch this stream, do it by yourself after you having fully gained knowledge. That's the main reason of this stream. This stream is not to mislead you, to say go and invest so and so. We are not financial advisors. I am not personally a financial advisor. I'm just an educator. So I share knowledge, I share my strategy, and I share the prop firms that I know. It's knowledge to share those prop firms. Whatever that you do with that information, because you have been taught, it's then the thing that is expected to change your life. I hope this makes sense. Stay away from people who are saying, send this much, you gain this much. Do not fall for such. No. Don't fall for such. Because people are going to continue using my name and then later on say, I am scamming them. Continue using my name and then later on say, I'm scamming them. Try your best, guys, to avoid these kind of things, because jealousy is going to be always there. You see, what's the time? I don't want to eat your time today. I just want you to look at something. There's what we call social media propaganda. Social media propaganda is, there are people who are in a business of sales. They are selling themselves. They make money out of sales. So if, for example, I am in the business of selling my mentorship, and by all means necessary, I want people to subscribe to my mentorship, I'll find a way to demolish other people so that I look like I'm the only one who is good. Right? That's a bad person. If you see another person saying they are the good, others are bad, that's a bad person. And then there's another guy who is busy posting about other people. and he's at the end of the day an IB of a different broker. He's busy making people register under his broker. That's business. He is a businessman, and he is using other people's names to engage and trend and have more followers and gain trust. You see, a person who demolishes other characters for him to be the trusted one, that person should not be trusted. You can't trust a person like that. You want to trust a person who is the one that is being attacked. Ask yourself, why are they attacking that kind of a person? You want to investigate on your own. And then after properly investigating on your own, then that's when you'll be like, okay, this is the narrative behind. So social media propaganda is exactly what they are doing. They are trying to make me look like I'm a very, very, very bad person, so that today, tomorrow, you don't come to me and even try to even view my stream or even to subscribe to any of my mentorship. That's what they're trying to do. But it's fine. The truth is the one that will prevail. Let the members of BFI succeed, and let everyone who watch this stream succeed. Then they are the ones who will come and tell the truth that, nah, man, no matter what you say, this guy is the one. Nevertheless, salute you all. I love you all with the love of Christ. Let's quickly jump into the markets. Just be wise. Don't be a fool. Even I myself coming to you to scam you, open up your eyes so that I do not scam you. That's all. Just be careful. That's it. Right. So Keith just inspired us today. Keith, you saw Keith. If you are from a former stream, I gifted him the mentorship that side. I taught him. He's up 221,000 today because of my education. So if that kind of education can do that to a person, why would you want to say that person is not a good person? A person who can transform a life from nothing into that kind of a bank balance, my friend. They play. So you don't let the enemy use you to that level. Right? I think this time we have been preaching about this thing for a very long time now. I'm doing that because the market really is not going anywhere. Let's fine. It's fine. Then let's jump into the market, guys. Break down this market. What you are seeing here on my screen is the US30 screen. I'm going to delete this because we have a Zoom sessions in the morning, and then these Zoom sessions are the ones that are the do these breakdowns. But then I'm just going to give you a privilege of also going through that with me. This is US30 in front of me, so I'm just giving you another education again for the day. Remember, this stream is strictly not financial advice. Do your own research before opening any trade. I'm not going to say do this with your money or do that with your money. It's all up to you. Here I'm going to educate you about the markets, and I'm going to show you exactly what these markets are capable of today. I hope this makes sense. Right, let's go forward. Right, guys, I think from today going forward, if we see anyone coming up with a negative comment in our stream, we will block you. We will block you. Honestly speaking. I mean, we can't have people tarnishing my name saying I'm a scammer, but they've never even at any day went to that stream to even talk about me or said, nah, this guy scammed me. They never commented negative. It's only now when I left, that's when they are saying I'm a bad guy. No. You don't have to do that. Where were you all along? Why were you quiet all along? Why would you want to come up with stories today? Now? Why now? Why in 2026? So you need to wise up. I'm only telling you guys that you be wise. You are the ones to be wise. That's it. We move on like that. Right. Let's quickly jump into the market. Yesterday, I think you saw the post that I posted, the successful trade. It was not an easy one, but a heavy one. Heavy trade, but I kept on holding. And I think during the demonstration of the demo account, I showed you that I'm holding. I kept on holding. I didn't even close. I closed at that successful profit of almost $21,000 in that trade yesterday. I was running a 15 lot. I kept on adding until I succeeded in closing. The market went almost nearer to our TP yesterday, failed to reach the TP, but if you are wise, then that's when you know that's a win. You want to come out, you don't want to continue battling with that trade. So let's go forward. So what happens is this. I think we can see one thing here. one would say if you have traded fundamentals before, if you have traded the market's fundamentals before, you would notice one thing. The market moves, spikes, sometimes it will spike up and down. This is the same situation. One would say the market spiked up and then down. So this is the spike up and then spike down, spike up, spike down. The market went back to the same value. I think if you check here, you would see that this market is still sitting at the exact price that we were in yesterday morning. Same sideways price, right? So you want to take note of that, right? Then before then, let me delete all the drawings on the screen so that we start to focus on today's market sentiment, today's market data. What is it that we are focusing on today? On my side, and then according to the market data print, today we are having a bullish market, right? That's our take profit, that's our key zone, that's our CV, that's our open price, that's our PRV, and then this is our key zone here. So as it is like this, as the market is sitting, as it is sitting like that, you would notice something, that the market is still sideways, sitting at a sideways momentum. Nevertheless, we have a buy signal for the day. According to me, on my side, I am going to be attempting to look for buys all the way to 49,761. That's what the market is telling me. According to the data, it's giving me a buy signal for the day. So as it is like that, I am not going to execute it as of now, but I am only going to do this at the end of the day. I'm going to sit here with a pending order, which is a buy limit somewhere here. I'm looking to take buys from the low of the day, which is 49,112, and then I'll be targeting that area of interest there. Point number one. The other thing that I'm supposed to note, if this market is going to decline, then I'm going to allow the market to play in a leg, because there's a low that was not tapped, which is yesterday's low, 48,832. So I would want to see how the market is going to react before I execute my trade there. So at this point of time, I'm just going to wait and see how the market is going to play, and I want to buy from the lower price of the day. So no trade as of yet, nothing, no buys for me, no sales as of yet. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting to buy from the lowest price of the day, and then I can hold all the way to the buy TP of the third that did not arrive. That is 49,922 there. So that's what I am going to be doing today in the market on my side. This is the US30 market. So I'm going to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. If I'm to trade properly, I maybe may trade during New York opening session. At this point, there is no trade for me. Right. If the market decides to go up, push all the way up today before New York opening, then I would look for sales during that particular moment. So for now, indecision currently happening up and down, sideways. You want to wait on a choppy market like that. One would not want to enter. So education is very simple. On a sideways market, you wait or wait. You wait. You wait. That's a sideways market. You wait. You wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Then we'll take a decision. Like if it pushes up, then I will go in for a reversal. That's basically what I would do. Right. And then, yeah, that's how US30 is. At this point, no entry. I can't buy from the CV. You know why? Because there is a previous close here. PRV here must be tested. Market may want to test here, test the low, and then push up first. So no trade for me at this particular moment. Jumping into NAS100, same situation of a successful trade yesterday happened. I think if I was here, we were live. All of us, we saw it, witnessed it. There's nothing to worry about. The extended TP also arrived. Smoothness all the way. There's nothing to stress about there. No kululu, no kalala. So there is nothing to worry about there. So now, once I came in the morning, then this is what I saw. I am seeing a bearish momentum for the day. Similar printout of the day of yesterday is the same signal that we are getting. Same signal of the market. The market is still saying the same language for the day. We are bearish according to the market, and the market is going to 24,443.86. 24,443.86. So the market is likely going to go down again on NASDAQ. Again on NASDAQ. I hope this makes sense. Now, how do I then approach this market? Educational purposes only. This is how I would do it. I looked very, very deep as a trader. I say to myself, this market is sitting at a low. According to my rules, I buy from the low and I sell from the high. So I'm going to neglect the sell signal. I'm not going to sell. Why? Because this could be a trap. Well, yesterday's trade worked and then today's trade may not work. So I am seeing a trap here of a very strong buy. So whatever the market is doing here is creating a strong support here. So this whole area of the low 24,681.27 and then the sell TP 24,443.83, this alone for me is a buying zone. So even if it sells, I'm not going to look for sales. I'm going to buy from the TP. I'm going to buy from the low. I'm going to buy from the CV when we are coming down from this side, right? So at this point, I would just want to wait for a retest, a discount, then I'm going to close my eyes and enter buys. This is a sign of a very strong buy during New York session, right? You want to see price declining all the way. You want to see price declining all the way. 3 minutes to 10. You want to see price declining to this level. After that, I want to enter my buys. I want to hold my buys from that zone all the way upward because of that previous close. According to the markets, previous close is above our high for the day. Previous close above the high, which is yesterday's sell entry. That previous closing price there, as you can see, is above the high. That means market is being projected to be wanting to break out the high. So that high has been weakened by the previous closing price. So the market may want to break out. Now, on a breakout, what's next? We have a very clean range, which one would always say it's liquidity. One would say this is liquidity upward. All the way we have got a previous close of yesterday that was not even attempted to be tested. We have got a previous close of, we have got a TP, that TP of, let me use the white one. We have got a TP of the third that was not tapped around 25,924. So there is more to the up than to the down at this kind of juncture or today. So I would want to look for buys and close my eyes and pray and say, God, please drive this thing. Let this thing do what I want. So basically, I would want to enter from the low. Yeah, if I had enough money, I would buy there. But no, I'm not going to do that. I don't want a trauma. I'm already being emotionally traumatized by people on the internet. So I cannot allow this market to also traumatize me again today. I don't have that strength today. Nevertheless, all right, I'm going to wait and see how the market reacts here. If it reaches the sell TP, then I'm buying and then I sit there and I'm watching like this. I'm waiting for the money for Lamborghini to be enough. Nevertheless, this is not financial advice, guys. Demo doesn't pay. You see, it's written live demo trading. Where will you get money from in a demo account? All right. Let's jump into, okay, the markets are open. London open. All right, let's quickly jump into gold, which is my final take for the day. Boom, gold. I said it. You know, if you watch our stream, you know. There we go. I said they take sell all the way. The market would go down. I would take sell. I didn't take it. I would sell. That's what I said. I marked that level. I said I would sell. The market is coming down and so forth and so forth. At this point, there's no trade for me. I can't trade at this point. There is no trade for me. Nevertheless, sales are looking good according to the market sentiment. So selling from any market price there is fine. Just there. And then I target 46.56, my white line there. It's very, very important that I understand this thing. And then as of stop loss, no, I don't have a stop loss. So let me look for gold and take gold. Right, sorry guys, I want to take gold on this thing. Hey, come on. Why is my thing refusing to log in? There is no discount as of yet. Right, I want to take gold. Where is gold? 1. Sell. Oh, trading is not available in this instrument. Order rejected. Shy. The risk is they sent a risk management thing. I can't take a sell. Damn, Jesus. Let me just wait for US30 then. Jesus Christ. Gold not allowed to trade on top step. They are saying there's high volatility, what happening in the what way. So unfortunately I can't take a trade there. So that's what I'll be looking for on this demo account there. Gold all the way to 46.56. Then let's see what this market has for us then. Nevertheless, I think that's all. Stay tuned for a video about how Top Step works. You would understand. I'll post a video about how Top Step works. It's educational purposes, not financial advice. So I'm going to send that on the group, on the video, on the YouTube here. Now I'm a content creator now. This year, let's create that content. All right, let's hear what you guys are saying. What are you saying in the comments? Bonang is wearing the uniform because he's at war against the poverty. Yes, all thanks to you, sir. All right, the background music, I reduced it, my friend. Mr. B has changed my life so much already, and his guidance is all you need. Beautiful. Enjoy yourself. Don't be a ghost. Comment, like, and share. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. #3. I will add you as a they call it what? Moderator. I'll put you there. If you are positive, we work together. Negative, you are gone. Good morning, Mas Chaba. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? He's dangerous. That guy is trying so hard to discredit Bonang. Nah, don't worry. Don't worry. He's sent, that guy. They paid him. He's in the business. There's another one who posted me again today. It's their friend. They paid him. They know what they're doing. Once you know the truth about someone, it's hard to believe nonsense they put out, especially when they don't have full information even. Yeah, that's when you know that these people are being misled. Beautiful. Hi, Bonang. Are you looking at gold? Yes, I just said it. What about NAS? I have already done it. Morning, say any Top Step discount codes? No, the only discount code that I have, because I'm an affiliate with Commit Capital, is BFI 30. BFI 30 for 30% discount on all challenges. They are 1 million, 4 million, even their instant account. That code will take out 50%, and then you purchase your account there. Take it on Commit Capital. Enjoy yourself. Check MGC Bonang, MGC Gold. Yeah, they want me to trade micros, but I don't do that. I'm a very volatile man. If I decide to do something, I'm a very volatile man, my brother. On these demo accounts, I open big lot sizes. All right. Just joined. Thank you so much for joining. Enjoy yourself. All right, guys. What else do we have here? What else do we have? No comments. Nothing much, right? People are enjoying themselves. Keith, your testimony has really made my day, man. I love it. Thank you so much. God bless you. Where do we go? I don't think there's any other question. Right. No, any other question? Let's just give it a few minutes and then we'll stop the stream. Because of the nature of the market itself, we are going to then have a better New York opening. I think gold, we can monitor gold at the moment while we are listening to some music here. Let's enjoy ourselves. I must dance. Yeah, I will. I will. I will. I will. I will. I will, my brother. I will. I will. Right. Can you hear the voice? It's there, ne? I think so. Let me try and add this thing. Is that right? Right. I'm still waiting on that gold to melt a little bit. And then take it from there. Let's see. All right, BFI lifetime mentorship at 50% off instead of 15K, 7.5 until end of this month. Right, and then those were asking the playlist. I sent the link there. You can enjoy yourself on it. And then welcome. Music was fire. Thanks. Guys, go for that 50% off BFI. You won't regret it. Enjoy yourself, guys. Enjoy yourself. Until the end of this month, that discount code will be there. Until then, BFI fee 50. Yeah, I'm going to ask Chronic to make that code at the website BFI 50 for a 50% off throughout this month. And then let's empower those that we can empower. And then somebody asked, can you please explain the conditions of the EA, of the Math EA once it's ready? The EA is very simple. It does exactly what we would have been doing here, as I said, on Zoom. And then how to get it is going to be determined by how much I pay as a final price with my programmer, number one. Remember, I said I engaged a person from Malaysia, so he's the one who then automates these things. Guys, what did I just display on screen here? Where is that thing? I'm seeing two screens here. Why? Where is it coming from? Just hold on, guys. Just hold on. Just hold on. Why am I seeing two screens? Oh, all right. Okay. None. Now I got it. That's my fault. Sorry. It's my fault. Okay, I displayed the end of the stream template on top of that camera, so that's why it was giving some outlet, but it's fine. We are trying to make sure that we keep pushing. 500 subscribers. We are moving to 1,000 quickly. Thank you so much for those subscribers. My audio is low, the music is high. Is it? Hello guys, I was thinking that we are good. I was thinking that we are good, guys. How is this thing? Okay. Am I still low? I doubt. Am I still low? I doubt. Did I reduce from the... Let me check. On my mic is very loud, guys. I don't know on your side, but on my side it's very, very loud. Did I mess it up? The audio, did I mess it up? I can increase it a bit. And try and increase it a bit, just to try and see how. Now it's too high now. That's what I don't want. It mustn't be too high. How is the audio now? Right. How many subscribers do we have now? Guys, the volume is not giving, but we'll see. 552 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. And for the past days, we have been running beautiful. I think if we are to check our live streams, First stream was 532 views. Second stream was the afternoon stream was 564. So 564, 32 plus, it's 1,000 something views, day number 1. And then we go to day number 2. We got yesterday. We got, is it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. This is day number 3, Gun. So yesterday we had 637 views. And then 635 views. So combined together, that's almost 1.270 views. This time around we are pushing 40 live views. So that's a nice one. Let's keep going. That's a nice one. Let's see what this is for us. Where are my kids? Okay guys, slow market. I think I am going to call it a day. Let's call it a day on our side until we meet again. Should we check NASDAQ? But bro, there's nothing we can do this time. NASDAQ, I'm waiting for it to come to the lower price, then I can buy. I can't take a trade at this point. I can't buy. The only thing that I have had in mind is to take this gold sales. Yeah, so we'll update later how this went. That's basically how it is. Other than that, I don't have any other trading idea other than just to go and be busy with other things. And allow me to appreciate each and every one of you who joined and who keep on joining. You are much appreciated. You are fully appreciated. And then thank you so much for joining me until we meet again in the afternoon. Exactly 4:15 is the time where we meet. Education, these live demo tradings. And let's see what the afternoon has for us. It's a Thursday today. Let's see what this afternoon has for us. Other than that, all is well. And let me leave you with the word of the day. And be blessed as you watch this word of the day. Bye-bye.
Today we are reading chapter 3 of the Calculated Money Moves book, written by me as the author. Those that have been wondering how to get this book, you can literally visit www.bonangfinance.co.za and purchase yourself a soft copy there. There are currently no hard copies. We only have soft copies. Thank you. I'm going to read chapter 33. Last time I did read 32 for you. Chapter 33, I'm going to read in page 209. Discern your money environment. That's the title. Discern your money environment. Where your money moves is also determined by your environment. Okay, literally this book is designed to show you where the money is, and you want to calculate the money moves, how the money moves and where the money moves. So basically the book itself is then explaining deeper to say where your money moves is also determined by your environment. In the wrong environment, even your grace looks useless. In the right one, everything multiplies easily. That's why some of you must leave certain friends, cities, or even countries. Not because you hate your background, but because your money doesn't move there. Look at me. I was once in the bush hunting, fishing, and mining. None of that worked because my money wasn't there. But when I entered the financial markets, it was like heaven opened. You must find where your money recognizes you. That's not a small statement. You must find where your money recognizes you. You know, there are things that when you do them, no matter how hard you do them, success doesn't come easy. Money doesn't come. No matter how perfect you do things, money doesn't come. But because you understand that you need to be where money recognizes you. There are people who have it easy. Money comes easy to them because the money recognizes them. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to understand. Where does your money move? Where is your money? Does your money recognize you? Are you chasing the money or the money is chasing you? So calculated money moves literally puts you in a position of studying even your own environment, your own friends. Like I said, I became so much worried as to why do I always attract broke friends. This became a concern to say, it means I am like them. So that means I have to change. Do you get my point? Why is my friend broke? Should be a concern. Because if we say my friend is broke, it means you are also broke. To them, they're also saying my friend is broke. So you see that the cycle there is of broke people. So if it does not worry you that you are surrounded by broke people, that alone can be an attack in life. Why should you be surrounded by broke people? Or why should you surround people because you yourself is broke? Do you get my point? Why should you be the one surrounding people when you have got nothing tangible in life? You must find where your money recognizes you. Signs you are out of your money flow. You are always frustrated no matter how hard you work. Number 2, you are surrounded by busy people but no results. Number 3, you keep trying new ventures, they die quietly. Number 4, you feel peace only when you imagine doing something else. Number 5, you are talented but nobody buys into it. If this describes you, stop fighting. You are out of your flow. Shift, recalculate, realign. Because God's prosperity formula is not about hard work alone. It's about working in the right direction. You see, that's how God operates. He doesn't say work hard. He says work where you are needed. The right direction. That's the formula of success. There's a popular saying that says so. If hard work pays, an animal like a donkey could have been the wealthiest animal on earth or the most expensive animal on earth. Let me put it that way. But it's not. So sometimes hard work does not pay, but smart work pays. Check around your environment. Does the money recognize you? Also, you must be concerned. You cannot always be surrounded by people who are encouraging you to say, be patient, things will be okay. When? Happy New Month.